To connect your Redmi Buds 6 Play to any Android phone is simple. You just need to begin by opening up the Google Play Store, and then you want to use a search function and you want to type in the words Xiaomi earbuds and then search. You should see it listed in the search results, so go ahead and install the app. And once you've installed it, tap on open and go through the process of setting it up. This means giving the app permission to monitor your Bluetooth devices and simply access to your location. Once you've done that, you can then tap on the option add earphones and then give the necessary permission, confirm the location, and then from here, you can choose to add earphones manually by simply selecting the earphones from this list right here. So just look for your Xiaomi Buds 6 Play. Alternatively, if you can't find your buds from here, you can just put them in pairing mode. Now, putting them in pairing mode is fairly simple. Just pick up your buds, open up the case, and then from here, you want to long press on the side button to put them in pairing mode. Once they're in pairing mode, and you can see from the indicator light here blinking that they're in pairing mode, you just need to go ahead and select them from the list, like so, and then wait for them to connect. Ensure that the buds are not too far away from your phone as the pairing process completes itself. Confirm that you wish to pair, and also you can choose to give it access to your contacts and call history. It's completely up to you. And then once you've confirmed that and they've paired, you can now be able to see the list of settings that you can use to customize your Redmi Buds 6 Play. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.